Hello students, I am Archana Santosh Tiwari, your GK teacher. In previous topic, I already explained you topic 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today I am going to explain you the topic 5, that is special body parts. In special body parts, here it's given, write the names of the animals which have the body parts shown in the given pictures. You can refer the help kit. You can refer it with the help kit. So here, animals with tusk. Animals with tusk, you know that is what? Which animal tusk is given here? That is elephant. What? That is elephant. The spelling of elephant is ELEPHANT. Elephant. See, I will explain you more about the elephant's tusk. Here, elephant is the largest living land animals, characterized by its long trunk, columnar leg and huge head with temporal glands and wide flat ears. Elephants are grayish to brown in color. Their body's hair is sparse and coarse. Okay, next is what? Next is animals with horns. Animals with horns. Here it is cow. It is what? Cow. So I will explain you the something more details of cow. The spelling of cow is COW. Cow. Cow horn is thicker in nature. Its horn is thicker in nature, while steer horn is thinner. It is simple, unbranched structures that are never shed. They consist of core of bone surrounded by a layer of horns which is known as keratin. Which is known as what? Keratin. It is generally light creamy in color. It is generally of what color? Light creamy color. Sometimes streaked with white, brown and so on. Sometimes it's also streaked with white and brown. Now third is animal with pouch. The animal which have pouch. The name of that particular animal is what? Kangaroo. The spelling of kangaroo is KANGAROO. Kangaroo. So listen more detail related to kangaroo. The female kangaroo has a pouch. Who has a pouch? The female kangaroo. The female kangaroo has a pouch. Its pocket of skin that acts like a second womb. That pocket is having the kangaroo. It keeps its baby in that, and it is what? Its skin is that acts like a second womb, giving the joy a safe. He put his joy safely in his pouch. Cozy environment to grow, and like a pregnant belly, the pouch can stretch to baby as it gets bigger. That means when the kangaroo keeps his babies in his pouch, and as the time begins, the baby is growing, the pouch is also growing it with the growth of babies. Now fourth one is come here, that is animals with hooves. Animals with hooves. That is what? Horse. See here, HORSE. This is the spelling of horse. What is the spelling? HORSE. Horse. A horse hoof is a structure surrounding the distal phalanx of the third digit of each of the four limbs. The first part of the hoof that you see is the hoof wall. The first part of the hoof that you see, it is what? That is hoof wall. And this is hard, horny and also outer covering that houses and protects us the more delicate. Last, then come here fourth one, that is what? Animals with whiskers. That is fifth one is what? Animal with whiskers. What is the animal? That is rat. Spelling of rat, R-A-T, rat. See here more detail related to rat. A group of rats is called a mischief. A group of rats, whenever the rats are making a group, if so many rats are there in a group, that type of group is known as mischief. Rats have up to 70 whiskers. A rat has up to how much whiskers? They have up to 70 whiskers on their faces, varying usually in size, and they are very big or long in size and shape. Then next is sixth point, that is B. Animals with fur. Animals with fur. The animals with fur. What is that animal? The name of that animal is bear. Spelling B-E-A-R. Bear. Now more detail related to bear's fur. Bear fur consists of two layers. The bear's fur consists of two layers. The first one is under fur and the other one is outer guard hairs. And other one is outer guard hairs. The under fur is soft. The under fur is what? Very soft and is used mainly to insulate. And the outer guard fur is thick and long and is quite coarse. Now let's come here, seventh one, that is animal with hump. Animal with hump. Now tell me the name of that animal which having hump. Yes, camel. The spelling of camel is C-A-M-E-L. Camel. More detail related to camel. A camel's hump does not hold water at all. A camel's hump does not hold water. What they actually use for the hump? It actually stores fat. The camel used it as nourishment when food is scarce. The camel used it as nourishment when food is scarce. If a camel used the fat inside the hump, it will become limp and droop down. See here now, eighth one, that is what? Animal with strips. Animal with strips. What is the animal? Yes, zebra. The spelling of zebra is what? Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. More detail related to zebra. Zebras are generally thought to have white coats with black streaks. Zebra generally having what? White coats with black streaks. That's because if you look at the most zebras, the strips end on their belly and towards the inside of the legs. If you look at the zebra, you will find that the strips end on their belly and towards the inside of the legs, and the rest is all white. So this is some details of zebra. Now come to the last one, that is animal with a long neck. Animal with a long neck. You know the name of that particular animal? What is that? That is giraffe. What is spelling of giraffe? Giraffe. Giraffe. So little more detail about giraffe is what's here. The giraffe long neck can reach more than 7 feet in length. The giraffe long legs reach more than 7 feet in length, which means it makes up nearly half of its overall height. Just like humans, giraffe have 7 vertebrae. Just like humans, giraffes also have how many vertebrae? 7. The giraffe also has 7 vertebrae in their neck. So by this, your explanation of topic 5 special body parts is completed. So thanks to all for listening me, and so I will send you the some notes in my PDF. Go through on that notes and please do the assignments. Okay, take care of all of you. Stay at home and safe from corona. Bye, see you. We will meet in the next video with next topic.